White lines, please. We will start in 3, 2, 1, dive.
All of the blue robots charging towards the reef. Only one red robot doing so on the other side of the field, but the red robots over here, Cardinal Dynamics, managing to score one of the coral up into the L4, and they line up ready to go for a second one. We move into Teleop, and blue robots grabbing coral and moving towards the reef area. Cyborg Seagulls having done so, scoring an L2. Currently Bits and Bots lined up and trying to score a coral, but it doesn't quite go on to L1. Will they be able to pull one of the algae off of the reef? No, they back away from the reef. On the right side of the field, Cardinal Dynamics zipping around. They have placed 4 coral up on L4, soon to be 5. They go up, they line up, and it's on. Their other alliance partner, C-Cubed, on the exact opposite side of the reef, trying to line up and trying to get that coral through their robot. It doesn't quite seem to be going through, though. If they shake it around, they might be able to get it in. Meanwhile, Cardinal Dynamics lining up and getting another L4. And C-Cubed moves over to the blue side of the field, as it seems like the robot wasn't quite able to get that coral scored, and they're going to go play defense against the Blue Alliance. This is currently a 2v3 with the Red Alliance only having 2 robots on the field. But it looks like Blue Alliance has lined up ahead of time, trying to get some climbs out of the way early. Beavertronics trying to line up and grab that deep cage. Meanwhile, their alliance partners, Bits and Bots, lined up in the middle with the shallow cage, although Bits and Bots seem to have been disabled. Elevator up for Cardinal Dynamics, and they score yet another coral up on L4. The top ring of that reef looking rather full. Meanwhile, the Blue Alliance, the bottom of the reef is looking rather full. Cardinal Dynamics swinging around, trying to get the second to last of those coral scored up on the reef, but there seems to be a coral stuck on their bumpers, and they can't quite get close enough. Cyborg Seagulls desperately trying to get the scoring for the Blue Alliance sorted out, and they get not quite another one. And they go and slam into that deep cage. Cardinal Dynamics just parking themselves underneath, and Beavertronics getting themselves into the air right at the end of the match. Alliance, who takes the win, despite being down 1 robot, 64-46. Walking away with 3 ranking points for the win. Meanwhile, the Blue Alliance getting both the auto ranking point and the barge ranking point, and walking away